This video will show you what you need to think about when you are creating a new project in NVivo for Windows. We will be recreating the sample project that comes with NVivo. This project is named Environmental Change Down East. The first thing you need to think about when you create and set up a project in NVivo is the design of your study. This video will introduce the design framework to help you set up the environmental change project in NVivo for Windows. So remember, we are using the professional edition, so your NVivo may look a little different if you are using the Plus edition. This table shows the elements that you can have in a research design. In NVivo for Windows, you can have many types of data, including Word documents, PDF files, photographs, or other images, video, audio, surveys, or some social media sites, web pages, bibliographic and demographic data. If you have a number of different types of data, you should organise them in data folders. Your thematic or analytical framework in NVivo is represented by nodes. You can create your nodes beforehand or let them emerge as you review and interpret the material. Cases in NVivo represent your units of analysis or observation. These could be people, places, organisations, or whatever you are comparing. You can link attributes to your data or cases. This is NVivo's term for variables. This might be demographic information such as age, gender, job, or education level, which would be linked to your cases. Information about the characteristics of your file, such as the date of publication for any literature, would be linked to the file classifications. In the search area of NVivo, you can group or categorise your data in more ways. If you have a longitudinal study, it is useful to have a set for each time period. You might also use sets to create groups based on more than one attribute value, such as women who are retired. You can also use the advanced find to create search folders to restrict your analysis to groups with a particular combination of characteristics. This is the design framework for the Environmental Change Down East study. As you can see, there are many types of data being collected. We won't explore all of these data types in this course, but you can see there are interviews, news articles, and several memos. There are 2 units of analysis in this study. At times we want to compare individuals, and at other times we want to compare differences among the communities. The variables that relate to place or the communities are total population, driving time to the nearest town, and the average tax value. So this will enable us to compare richer with poorer communities, more remote communities with communities nearer to the town, and so on. The variables that relate to differences among the people are gender, age group, and education level. So this will enable us to compare men and women, different age groups, and so on. This study is not longitudinal, it's just a snapshot in time. The thematic framework was exploratory, but as the interviews were structured by 6 topic areas, they could be initially coded for those topic areas.